Hey guys, I'm just showing you my quick nighttime routine for how I achieve my afro and keep my afro for a few days, my curly fro. So first, what I do is I section my hair, and this method really helps. Just it gives you a chance to re-moisturize your hair if you need a little touch up, and then also it helps with stretching your fro for the next day so that it doesn't shrink overnight. Okay, so first things first, I do section my hair. And now in the first section, I am going in with my oil that I made specifically for my scalp. It could be used for your hair, but I'm using this one in particular for my scalp. It has argan oil and eucalyptus oil and cinnamon essential oil. I'm giving myself a quick scalp massage. If you have not started scalp massages in your hair routine, please, I encourage you to do so. It really does help with encouraging hair growth and stimulating your scalp. And so next, I'm going in with Talia Rajid's Protective Mist Body Fire. It's a leave-in spray. So this is my kind of like my LCO, but I'm not doing a cream tonight. So this is my liquid, and I'm focusing mainly on my mid shaft to the ends of my hair. That is what gets the driest the fastest for us. And I'm sealing that moisture in with the oil I made specifically for my hair strands. So there's two different oils, one for my scalp and then one for my hair. Yeah, and then again, I'm focusing on mid shaft to the ends so that I can really get that moisture in overnight on my ends. Next, I am putting my hair in a not tight, a ponytail with the satin scrunchie. And I know I did say split into 4, I think earlier, but your girl is tired and I don't have time for that tonight. So we did it in 2 sections. And you just repeat. You can do this in 4 sections and you do the same thing. You'll put your oil on your scalp, give yourself a nice little scalp massage. And again, you go back in with your liquid, focusing mainly on the ends of your hair. And then you seal everything in with your oil for your ends. Focus on them ends, them ends, them ends. Can't stress it enough. Then you put it in a nice little, this is low-key a hairstyle, y'all, but you put it in a not too tight ponytail with satin scrunchie. If you don't have satin scrunchies, I do recommend you get those as well. And then you close it up with your satin bonnet, and night night.